Hi my soulmates, in this video I would like to show you how to sew a curved line. In daily wear, you can use a curved stitch when working on shoulders, collars, pockets, zipper, etc. Therefore, this is a really beneficial skill to master. First, you can download the free worksheet from the link in the caption. Once printed, you can cut it in half down the middle. If at this moment, you don't have any prior experience with sewing, you can watch our video on sewing straight lines to get a better understanding of the basics. For this exercise, you will need to use a strict stitch setting on the machine. The needle needs to be centered. Choose a Presserfoot that has a marking in the middle. If the front is transparent, that will be the best. Let's begin with the left half of the worksheet. Start with enough room for back stitching before continue forwards. Once your needle is aligned, we can start with a 3-stitch back stitch. Place both your hands on the worksheet in order to have better control of the sewing direction. Make sure the dotted line on your worksheet is aligned with the center mark on the Presserfoot. Slowly turn the worksheet to keep the marks aligned. While practicing, if you have gone over the line by mistake, stop sewing immediately and manually turn the balance wheel backwards. Lift the needle, reverse a stitch, and drop the needle back onto the mark. Adjust the angle and continue sewing forwards. Sometimes, when you need to sew a deep curve like this, you will need to stop every few stitches, reposition the needle, and then continue. Each time the needle and markings are not aligned, you will need to reposition the needles again. I have also prepared a circle practice worksheet for you. Start practicing from the big circle onwards. At the end, if you're able to successfully complete this exercise, that means you have a good control over your sewing machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy learning with my soulmate. Bye bye.